Hi there, I'm Dan Larkin. I'm a sales representative for Nordik Windows Doors. My job entails coming into your home, meeting with you, and figuring out what your needs and wants are, giving you a little education along the way about our windows and what separates us from every other company out there. I can come in, I can measure, we can provide a quote right on the spot for you, and hopefully have as much fun along the way as possible. I was born and raised in the GTA. I moved a lot around Southern Ontario, even made my way to the Caribbean and ran a beach bar in Grand Cayman Island. Got to live a life dream a little bit, but I had to come back to reality. My dream job as a kid, honestly, I wanted to be a firefighter. I had an uncle that was captain of North York Fire Department around here. So I always knew that I'd have something to do or a career involved with people. My hobbies outside of work, I guess, would include anything outdoors. I love cooking. I love coming up with new recipes, different ways to display those recipes. This year, I picked up a new hobby, and it's skidooing. Just thought I'd embrace the winter a little more. As a kid, you love winter, and as we get older, kind of weakens or lessens a little bit. Not this year, we're gonna embrace it fully. What I like most about working for this company, I truly believe in our product. We do have by far the best product in Canada. I get to work with one of my best friends. That's fantastic. The people I work with are amazing. We're all growing and talk to each other on a daily basis, and that's awesome.